Are you a collector of palettes but hardly ever use them? Do you have so much makeup but not much inspiration sometimes? Need some inspiration on some makeup themes? So I have created 51 theme ideas, 51 just because why not 51 versus 50? Please let me know what you think. And also I have some makeup challenges that will be coming up soon, so throw on those notification bells. Enjoy. And so although you may not like all of these ideas, one really good idea that I have is that you take the ones that you do like, put them on a little piece of construction paper, and throw them in a little makeup bag or box that you have so you can easily draw some inspiration when you need it the most. Create a look where the dominant color is pops of your least favorite color. Create a look inspired by the color of your last beverage. So whatever color that is, that will be your dominant color. Create a look inspired by your favorite food. This can either be with color, with drawings, or however you wish to interpret it. Create a look inspired by your least favorite food. A galaxy-inspired theme, so that can be based on color, artwork, however you wish to interpret that. Rock a colored eyeliner theme, and just remember, the more out of the box you go, the more fun it will be. A mermaid-inspired theme, so this can be based purely on colors, or you can add in the addition of scales and that artwork to kind of make it more detailed, however you wish to interpret it. Pick a decade to theme your look after. If this is something that's super interesting to you, then perhaps you could include multiple decade ideas in your inspiration list. We've all seen the random national holidays that are a little bit odd and funny, so basically create a look inspired by a random national holiday that is celebrated that day. Since most people typically do gold or silver, this will be a gold and silver mixture theme. Create a look where the main focus is a bold lip color of your choice. Create your version of a bold and dramatic eye look. Create your version of a natural makeup look, or an I woke up like this look. Do a standard cut crease look, so either your go-to cut crease look, or if that's not typically what you do, just a standard version of a cut crease look. Do a new cut crease look, so either not your typical cut crease that you do, or just not your typical cut crease in general, as out of the box as you want to go with it. Just have fun. Adding your own unique touch to it, create a spooky themed look. Create a rainbow inspired look. The possibilities really are endless with this one. You can do a more traditional rainbow look, or you can really go out of the box with it. Create a look with an abstract theme, because makeup really is a beautiful art and does not have to be done one particular way. Create a look with a black and white and silver and gray theme. This can simply be a smoky eye, or it can be even more out of the box, however you wish to interpret it. Create a look using only the color brown in as many variations as you wish, but only that particular color. Create a look with a green queen theme, so basically green should be one of the dominating colors of your makeup look. Create a look with variations of the color blue, and for an added bonus, pull out the blue lipstick. Create a look with the dominant color of purple using any variations that you wish, and for an added bonus, pull out that purple lipstick and or purple liner. Create a look with the dominant color of pink, or you could also create a look where you only use variations of pink. Create a look with sunset or sunrise vibes. Create a look with a Club Kid inspired theme. Glitter, glitter, glitter. For all of you who do not like glitter, this may not be the theme for you, but for those who do, use as much glitter as you want and have fun with it. Create a look inspired by your favorite holiday and be as creative and detailed as you wish to be. Create a look inspired by your least favorite holiday, but here's the beauty in that. Makeup is a beautiful thing and you can make it a beautiful piece. If you do not typically wear fake lashes on a daily basis or on, most days of the week, then today is the perfect day to pull them out and have some fun. Create a dramatic wing look on your eye, but the key here is dramatic for you so that you are doing something different yet still feel comfortable enough to enjoy what you have created. Create a festival inspired look. And just remember, you can go super out of the box with this, with glitter, color, artwork, etc. So just have fun with it. What is your zodiac sign? Create a look that is themed around that. Create a look with a Disney-inspired theme. This could be based upon your favorite Disney movie, character, etc. Sometimes it's fun to just be super, super bright, so create a look with a neon vibes theme. Create a look inspired by an organization or cause that you strongly support. Create a look that is inspired by your favorite superhero. Create a look that is inspired by your favorite cartoon or your favorite cartoon character. For all of the Lisa Frank fans, do a Lisa Frank inspired look. Create an Alien or ET inspired look. Create a Halloween inspired look. This can be as simple as Halloween inspired colors, or you could even do some of the special effects makeup. Rock a bold red lip. There's something about it that'll make you feel like the true boss that you really are. Create a goth inspired look. And if this is your typical go-to, then create an even more goth inspired look than you typically do. Create a look that is peach goddess inspired. Create a look that is gold goddess inspired. Create a look using pastel colors. For a bonus, pull out a pastel colored lipstick. Create a look with a fall vibes theme. This can be done merely through color or through makeup, art, however you wish to interpret it. Create a winter wonderland theme. You can do this either through colors or through the use of stenciled makeup art, however you wish to interpret it. Create your version of an intense smoky eye look. You can do this using whatever colors you wish, glitter, liner, whatever you wish to do, but your version of an intense smoky eye. Create a look with a hot girl summer theme, because let's be honest, we all deserve to feel ourselves. Pull out your most shimmery shades and add a little shimmer glimmer to your look. I hope you all enjoyed, and just as a reminder, around next week I will be uploading a new video with makeup challenges, which will be much more out of the box things. And so if you enjoyed that, be sure to hit the notification bell so that you will be updated on when I release the challenges. Also included in these challenges is my absolute favorite idea that I do have, so be sure to stay tuned.